Hey, what's up, you guys? It's time to do a video on all the upgrades that have been done to Judy. And it's a nice 80-degree day. I'm about to enjoy it and take a quick ride. But as you can see, it's got the, starting from the top, it's got the klockwerks windshield. It's a 9-inch. It has the Baja Design LP6. It has the bright LED lights. Those are actually by Harley-Davidson. And I have the factory 47 bars. These are probably 13-inch. I don't know if they make a 13-inch, but between 13 and 14. I thought they were 12, but I lined them up next to a 12-inch and they seem kind of taller. But anyway, it has the kahuna heated grips right there, as you can see on the side. And I just have some ram ball mounts where you can put your cup holder on either side, or you can use another ram mount to put your type of adapter for your phone, as long as you have that little ball adjuster. So I have that on there, but that could be taken off. And I added these parts on here. I don't know what they're called, but that was so that when you change the bars out, you don't see the hole right there. It doesn't come that way. I've upgraded the speaker system, and it has the Screaming Eagle exhaust performance breather. It has the headers on here by Chromeworks. It has the Empire series footboards and foot pads by Empire. It has an Empire collection Harley-Davidson mirrors in all black. And moving around, it has the side heat deflector. It has the Advanblack tank pad, or tank console, center tank console with a flush mount cap. I installed the luggage rack on the back. It has the Tabperformance BAM exhaust, and it also has the custom dynamics smoke tail lights, and it does have the dynamic strobe installed. And on this side of the bike, it has a Harley-Davidson shifter linkage with also the Empire collection front and rear passenger floorboards by Empire collection. It's just a nice addition. You have to add on the heel shifter if you purchase one of these brand new. So I've added that on with also the Empire collection pads for the shifter pads, and another heat deflector on the side to match the other side. So this bike has some upgrades to it, and I love the heated grips on any bike that I have. And as you can see, pretty much everything on here is a Harley upgrade, except for the lights and some of the other things. But there's plenty of luggage, plenty of space in the back, as you can see. And it has a Screaming Eagle tuner that stays installed inside the bike there on this side. It's the new Screaming Eagle Bluetooth performance tuner. All right, so that's gonna do it so far for the upgrades. There's a lot of other things that I wanted to do, but this bike is for sale for $35,500. If you want it, everything's already done on here. Everything's pretty much complete. And let's see, it's got 656 miles. I'm gonna take it for a quick ride today, but I'm not gonna do many miles. I'm probably just gonna put about 30 miles on there today, or 40. And so it'll probably have 705 by the time I bring it home. All right, guys, there you go. Hit me up if you're interested. $35,500 with all the upgrades so far. I can't even calculate. I would just say just the lights alone was a $1,500 purchase with the parts and harnesses. But to have that installed, you would be looking at a pretty hefty install bill, as well as for the bars to wire the heated grips on these type of bars. And the bars alone are pretty expensive. So, and then those footboard collections, you're looking at about $1,200 to $1,400 just for the footboards. And you could just keep calculating when you add in the Chromeworks headers and the tab BAM sticks. I think they are 4.5. You add all that up with the lights and installs and stuff like that, and you got a pretty hefty bill there. So $35,500 is a really good price for this bike with the low miles. No, there's nothing wrong with it. There's not a scratch on the bike. And just hit me up if you're interested.